everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Instaboard, curar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Before we start, I want to remind you that only 5.6% of you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe now since I'm the only one who gives you news about free Nitro, Orbs, and Discord's new features in detail. Discord has introduced a new feature called Server Tag Badges. I'll use this feature in my server, so watch the video till the end. It's one of the features like server tag and enhanced role styles. Discord has also released a new article on server tags just a day ago. You can read it if you want to know more about it in detail. I'll leave the link in the video's description. Alright, now we are activating this feature. But please do remember one thing, it's only for servers who have more than 3 boosts. I think I have a total of 13 boosts, so I can do it. You can spend 3 boost or 5 boost. With 5 boosts, you'll get more badges. Just as simple as that. With 3 boosts, I have some additional tags here which might make my server stand out a bit. But really though? Do you guys seriously think you should be spending your boosts just to get more badges? Nah, it ain't worth it. I think I would have liked it if it had some kind of animation or neon effect. Then things would have been different. But it doesn't really stand out and I am personally not satisfied with it. I think they should add avatar effect for server logos too. That'd be a cool idea. Speaking of which, Discord is giving away additional 1,400 orbs in total. But you need to install these games and play it. I don't know guys, if you are interested, you can get it. I might make a separate video on this. But there's also a new avatar decoration giveaway. Claim it if you want it. I guess it would be also there for phone. So check if it's there for you guys who use phone. The avatar looks very cool indeed. Anyway, that is it for me. Join my Discord server now if you want free decors and layouts for your server. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button now.